Hi guys, this is Harry from SD Design Studio. So today we are going to learn, or rather I would say that many a time I have seen some shapes which are symmetrical, and I always wonder how to do it in Adobe Illustrator. So today I am going to give you a tutorial on how to make all those symmetrical shapes. I'll show you the final results first so that you can end up the video if you're interested. If you're not interested, or then if you're interested, then you can see the entire one. So here is it, which I have created in Adobe Illustrator. So if somebody tells you to make a shape like these, so making all these shapes manually would be a task, as in it would be very difficult. If you see, all of these are very symmetrical in shape. So how to do it? Well, there is an easy way. Illustrator allows us to make all those shapes. So what I'll do, I'll create a new file for you. So I'll go to File, New, A4 is fine, and I'll press OK. Okay, I have got a A4 sheet file. So in the Tools panel, we have some tools. If you click on it and hold it for a second, then this will pop out, and then you will see all the tools you have. So let's begin with Polygon tool. Okay. So here the fill is white and the border is black. So what I'll do, I'll make this fill none from here, or I can do it from here also, whichever suits you. And for the border color, I would like to take some light shade of blue, maybe CMYK cyan. Okay, so what I'll do, I'm going to press shift key and I'm going to drag the shape. Okay. So here it is showing only three sides, whereas this polygon is showing here 5 sides. That is because I have changed the settings. So what you can always go back to the number of sides which you want. For that, what you have to do is, I'm going to delete this and I'm going to select this tool again, and I'll press click on the artboard. So here you can mention the number of sides which you want. So I want right now 5 slides. So click on it and you have got 5. 1 2 3 4 5 6. I think this one is 6, which is shown in the toolbox. So let's make it 6 only. I'm going to delete this again. And let me click on it, and 6. Okay, this looks fine. Now to create the symmetrical shape, I think this is the polygon one. I only need one polygon and I just have to repeat the shape. So how do we do it? What we can do is, you select the shape and now you go to the rotate tool. You can press R on keyboard or just click on it. So once you select it and once you click on it, you will see a point. This point is called as center of axis, or maybe axis of rotation. So Illustrator treats this as the axis of rotation. So if you want to rotate it, this would be the center point. So suppose I have clicked on this tool. Now I'm clicking on the shape and then dragging it. So if you can see, it is moving around the axis. Whereas to make the shape, I would like to drag this axis to maybe here on one corner. Now if you move it, you can see it is moving from this axis. But you'll need multiple objects to create that shape. So what I'll do is, I'm going to press Alt key on my keyboard, Option key on Mac, and Alt key on keyboard on Windows. I'm going to click on it and just a sec, sorry, let me just first put it, then I'm going to drag it. So you drag it according to the angle which you want. So, and if you press shift, it is going to drag it at an angle of 45 degree automatically, 90 degree, so it will snap to all the 45 degree angles. But I don't want to press shift at this time, so what I'll do, I'm going to drag it at an angle of say 9-10 degree. So here you are, you have two shapes whose center of axis is this. Now what I have to do to make that shape is to press Command D. I don't want to go and repeat the same thing again and again. So to do that, I'm going to do Command D. So if you see, the axis of rotation remains the same, but your object moves exactly like the way I had moved it in the first step. So what? Now it's a cakewalk. Just keep on pressing Command D, Command D, Command D, Command D, Command D. I'm just zooming out by pressing Command minus. Command D, Command D, Command D, Command D, Command D, Command D. So if you see, there is a safe formation, and here you go. You have got a shape out of just one hexagon. Now this shape looks a bit different from this shape because of the change in angle. Maybe I would have taken some other angle to make this, but this also looks quite good. So you can use the same tool and you can play with your objects and make different patterns out of it. So suppose if I want to take a ellipse, I will drag it using shift key so that I want a perfect round. Again same procedure, I'll go to this rotate tool, I'll change the center of axis, suppose it is this, I'll press alt key, option key, alt key, and drag it. Now simply Command D, Command D, Command D, Command D. You have got one more beautiful pattern. You can probably change the color to maybe dark blue this time, or maybe red. Want to make one more shape? Let's play with rectangle. Let's see what happens here. I have pressed the shift button so that it is increasing proportionately in size. Again pressed rotate tool, change the center of rotation, pressed alt, dragged it, again Command D, Command D, Command D, Command D. Here you go, one more shape. Again change the color to maybe this. So by just one object you can see how many shapes you can make, and it's just fun now. So go ahead and make your own shape using the basic shapes like polygon, ellipse, round, and rectangle. Thank you guys for watching this video. I'll keep you posted on other simple tools in Illustrator, Photoshop, and InDesign. Thank you so much.